Hello everyone, welcome to Marketing 454, Advertising and Promotion. This is Chapter 16. Chapter 16, let's talk about sales promotion. Sales promotion. Okay? These are the learning objectives. I want you to read that. Read that on your text, and make sure you get all of them. Right? Sales promotions. What is sales promotions? Okay, what's the scope of sales promotion? Basically, sales promotion is a direct inducement that offers extra value or incentive for the product to be sold to the sales force, to the distributors, and to ultimate consumers. Okay, so the primary objective of sales promotion is to create an immediate sale. Okay, remember the keyword here: sales promotion, immediate sale. Get a sale right away. Get the product moving. Okay. A premium offer is used to provide extra incentive to purchase Lucky Charms, as a picture on the right. This is by General Mills. Okay, it has this Lucky Charms. Okay. Is a cereal, okay, with whole grain for first ingredients, and then when you buy this box of Lucky Charm cereal, you get something like mini minion inside, some toys, some goodies to entice the kids. Okay, sales promotion. Sales promotion gives the consumers an extra incentive to buy. Okay? The extra incentive is reflected in coupons. Okay, in the coupon, people feel incentivized to buy. Okay, with price reduction, people are more likely to buy. With the contacts, winning a contact, the sweepstakes, okay, and also the refund or rebate. Okay, or give you free sample, and that is all extra incentive to buy. Okay? It's also an acceleration tool. Accelerate the speed, because sometimes they offer limited time offers. Buy now or you never get it. Right? So limited time offers. You better grasp the opportunity. Okay? And sales promotion targets different parties. Okay? The two types of sales promotions. One is consumer-oriented sales promotion. The other is trade-oriented sales promotion. Okay, let's look at both of them. Okay, so this figure shows that the type of sales promotion. If you look at sales promotion at the top. Okay, on the left-hand side, left column is consumer-oriented promotion. That's sales promotion towards consumers. On the right is trade-oriented promotions. The sales promotion targeting the trade, other businesses. Okay, consumer-oriented, you can have samples, give free samples, right? Give coupons, give premiums, buy one get one free, or use a contest, sweepstakes. Right? Use a refund, rebates, okay, and use bonus packs. Use the price offs. Okay, you can use loyalty programs. Okay, and you can use event, experiential marketing. Okay, you can use all these, to get them to buy. Okay, and then for promotions to trade, the trade-oriented promotions, you can have contests and dealer incentives. They can participate in contests too. Right? You can give them trade allowances. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay. You can give them point purchase displays. You can give them a training program, provide training programs on your product. Okay, you can participate in trade shows. Okay, you can engage them with the cooperative advertising. That advertising featuring the trade You're the other company and your product, your company. Okay? So there are two types of sales promotion activities. Okay? Sales promotion is an important part of your AMC program. Okay? Marketers spend more than $200 billion on consumer and trade-related sales promotion in 2022. Yeah, $200 billion. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Yeah, that's a lot of money. And the consumer packaged goods is the biggest. The companies are the biggest users of that. And other categories include increasing use. Other categories increasing use in other than the consumer packaged good are the healthcare industries, consumer electronics industries, fast food chains, retailers, and service industries. They're also big on that too. Okay? Sales promotions. Okay? There are reasons for the increase and importance of sales promotion. Okay? Why is the sales promotion increasing, and why is it important? Okay? Because there is a growing power of retailers, like Walmart, okay? Superstores. Okay? There's a declining brand loyalty compared with your parents' generation, your grandparents' generation. We are not that brand loyal. Okay, people are not that brand loyal. There also there's an increased promotional sensitivity. People are sensitive to promotions. And also there is a brand proliferation. So many brands competing. Okay. On the picture here, this is a Wendy's. You can say, see you in the AM, $1 breakfast biscuit. Wendy used media advertising to promote offers such as this one, is $1 breakfast biscuit, when it entered the breakfast market. Okay? It didn't offer breakfast before. Now it is entering that market. Okay? Also, the reasons for increased importance is short-term focus of of businesses. They have a short-term focus, okay? And there's an increased accountability, request or demand for accountability. Okay? There is increase in competition, okay? And also there's a growth of digital marketing. Okay? The picture here shows the WD-40 developed an account-specific promotion for its O'Reilly Auto Parts. Okay? O'Reilly Auto Parts. Okay? And this chart, this figure 16, figure 16.2 shows the reasons to connect on social media. Okay, reason to connect on social media, and promotions, coupons. There's a lot of them use that. Cited as the big reasons. Okay, buy products, incentives, read useful content, fun and entertainment, family and friends use, and suits my lifestyle, direct contact with the problem issues, and these etc. Okay, these reasons to connect on social media. Also, there are concerns about the increased role of social sales promotion. Okay. The thing is, when you have a sales promotion, what's happening to consumers about your brand? Think about that. If you see that a brand is heavily offering the sales promotions heavily, what do you think of the brand? What's consumers' reaction to their changing their perception about the brand? Right? It actually devalues the brand. Okay? Devalues the brand, unfortunately. Okay? It encourages consumers to purchase primarily on the basis of price. Consumers will pay attention to the price, only the price, not the the features or values of the product. Okay. It also leads to companies funding short-term promotions and neglecting advertising. Advertising could be for the long run, for image. Now they're focusing on instead on just short-term sales, immediate sales. Okay. Consumers actually reacted negatively when JCPenney tried to move to more everyday fair pricing and fewer promotions. Right? They don't like it. Okay, they don't like that. Okay, so that's concerns. Okay? Also, there's issue of consumer franchise building and versus non-franchise building promotions. Right? There are promotions, that either consumer franchise building or non-franchise building. What is the consumer franchise building promotions? Yeah. Consumer franchise building or CFB promotions actually communicate distinctive brand attributes and contribute to development and reinforcement of brand identity. Okay. Therefore, you are enhancing, you're building consumer franchise. It helps build long-term brand preference. It helps achieve full price purchases, not dependent on promotional offers. Okay, it offers, it enhances loyalty programs, frequent buyer programs, encourage repeat purchases. Okay, it's capable of converting consumers to loyal customers. You want loyal customers. You don't want just a one-time consumer. So those kind of promotions are called consumer franchise building, CFB promotions. Okay. On the other hand, some promotions are non-franchise building promotions, right? Non-franchise, non-FB. Yeah? That is, accelerate the purchase decision process and generate immediate increase in sales. Right? These type of promotions. Okay. But it does not contribute to building brand identity and image. Does not help with your image building and image identity. Okay. Price off deals, bonus packs, rebates, and refunds. Okay. It merely borrow customers from other brands. Okay. Borrow customers from other brands. So think about that. Okay. So also, as to the objectives of consumer-oriented promotions, consumer-oriented sales promotions, and the objective here is to obtain trial and purchase. You offer promotion, to get a trial and repurchase. It helps increase consumption of an established brand. It helps to defend your current customers. Okay. Gillette actually used the product sample and coupon to promote the trial and continued product use for its Fusion Pro Glide razor. Okay. That's some of the objectives of consumer-oriented sales promotion. Okay. In this example, where is the Mac? Where is the Mac? It's a promotion of the Kraft mac and cheese. Yeah? It's a clever way to engage consumers and encourage consumption of established brand. Everybody knows Kraft, right? But the goal of the promotional campaign was to persuade fast food giant like McDonald's to add the cheesy noodle dish to its Big Mac to create a hybrid of two popular brands. Okay? So where is Mac? Mac and cheese. Okay? Also, another objective of consumer-oriented sales promotions is like targeting a specific market segment. You want to target a specific segment, you can use consumer-oriented sales promotion. You can enhance integrated marketing communications and build brand equity. Okay, Anheuser-Busch promoted their brand Michelob Ultra beer to new target audience. They term the social athlete. I think these are the new target audience they identified as a social athlete. There's a will run for beer targeted beer drinkers who participate in those 5K or 10K races on Thanksgiving Day. Okay. Sampling. Another consumer-oriented sales promotion tool technique is called the sampling. Samples. We all love samples, right? Everybody loves samples. Basically, what's sampling? You give some quantity of product for no charge to induce trial, so they can try it. And they try it, hopefully they'll buy it. Okay? Sampling works best when products are relatively low unit value. Low unit value, each unit is very cheap. Okay? So samples do not cost too much. And also products are divisible and it can be broken into small sizes that reflect product features and benefits. Okay? Have I ever been to Costco? They give lots of free samples, right? Free samples. Okay? Also the products, the purchase cycle should be relatively short, so consumers can soon purchase again. If it's something that they buy only every 10 years, you don't want to give a sample. Okay, you want to buy a washer and dryer, they don't give you a sample. Okay, you want to buy some like chicken nuggets or chicken legs, chicken wings, fried wings, they'll give you samples. Okay. The benefits of sampling, it provides consumers a risk-free way to try. Consumers have nothing to lose, right? It generates much higher trial rates than other sales promotion techniques, right? Consumers experience brand directly. Okay? The limitations of sampling, the brand must have unique or superior benefits. If they sampled it, they tried it, they tasted it, and they don't feel that there's anything better, they can forget about it. Okay? The cost can be recovered only if consumers become regular users, because it can cost you a lot of money, right? It may require larger amounts of products to produce favorable results. So these are the limitations of sampling. Okay? Sampling methods, you can use a door-to-door sampling to give out this free sample. You can use sampling through the mail them the sample. In-store sampling, like Costco, in-store sampling. On-package sampling, give them a sample on the package. Event sampling, give out free samples during an event. Sampling through the internet and other social media. Okay? These are sampling methods you can use. This one is the on-package sampling. Can be a very cost-effective way to introduce consumers to other products, particularly for multi-product firms like this one, Armor All, okay, attaches samples of their car cleaner and car wash products to their protectant product in order to encourage consumers to try their other products, okay, for car wash, right? For the Armor All, for the car protectant, then you're gonna buy car cleaner and car wash things. Okay? Coupons. I'm sure you're all familiar with coupons. Are you guys using coupons? Or have you used coupon recently? Coupon is one of the oldest and most widely oldest and most widely used sales promotion tool. Okay, social tool, and let me turn my cell phone here off. And it accounts for 60% of consumers use coupons, 60%, and 13% use regularly. For me, I don't think I'm in the 60%. I don't use a lot, but occasionally I might. Sometimes I see like a pizza coupon, right? If it's in my junk mail, I just pick it and put it on the front desk, on the counter. And if you want to eat pizza, want to see if there's a coupon. If there is, great. If no, no big deal, right? And sometimes the coupon of the pizza parlors, they actually sometimes I give them a coupon that's expired, and then they say, "Oh, it's okay, we'll still honor that." So that's nice, right? So I'm sure you probably use some coupons for pizzas and other things too, right? There are 171 billion coupons distributed in 2021 in the US. 171 billion distributed. Think about that. Every one of us, on average, received hundreds, even thousands of coupons, over the year. Okay? Extreme couponing was a popular reality show. That's actually quite an interesting show here. Okay? Advantages of couponing is that it appeals to price-sensitive customers. There are consumers who are price-sensitive. Okay? It does not require retailers or cooperation. Retailers doesn't have to agree to do that. Okay? It reduces consumers' perceived risk associated with the trial of a new brand, encourage repeat purchase, and help coax users to trade up to more expensive brands. Okay, so that's the coupon. Limitations of coupon. Estimating how many consumers will use coupon and when is difficult to do. And it is less effective than sampling for inducing initial product trial in a short period. Okay? Another problem here is that consumer already using the brand can still use coupons. Think about that. They would. They're already using your brand, so they would buy full price. Now they use coupons. That means there is a loss of revenue for you. Okay? Low redemption rates and high cost. If redemption rate is too low, and then it's not worthwhile. Okay? And it could result in misredemptions. What do you mean by misredemption? Sometimes the store clerks, store managers may misuse them. They're going to claim that consumers use coupon when customers didn't, and they actually pocket the money. Okay? So that's the limitation of couponing. And the distribution of coupon. How is a coupon distributed? Free standing insert, FSI. Okay? This is going to be your test. Okay, make sure you understand. Remember this acronym, FSI, free standing inserts. Yeah, where do you see them? Sunday papers. Right? Advertising booklets, a lot of consumer coupons. For consumer packaged goods. Yeah. Delivered with newspapers, mostly in Sunday papers. Okay? It's also delivered by direct mail. Right? It's quite efficient and affordable, but there is a clutter here. Okay? FSI can also be delivered in direct mail package along with the local retailer ads, or can be cooperative booklets, such as this Red Plum or Smart Stores, as well as solo books done by companies. The example here is Procter & Gamble used to its own P&G brand saver FSI booklet each month in newspapers throughout the country. Okay. Couponing, the trends in couponing, okay, is still the most effective sales promotion tool for influencing purchase decisions. Okay. And there seems to be using extreme couponing. Marketers use to compete against lower priced competitors and private label store brands. Okay. Marketers seems to have reduced duration period to like 3 months or less. Okay. Marketers are using internet to distribute coupons, like coupon.com, Valpak.com, Groupon, Living Social. Okay? They use internet to distribute coupons. Okay? There is a rise of mobile coupons and access through digital channels. That's the trend, newest trend in couponing. Okay? Consumer can join Groupon for free and receive notification of discounted deals and coupons being offered in your area through email notifications or by checking the Groupon website, Facebook or Twitter pages. And this is how Groupon works. Okay. Premiums. What is a premium? Basically, you offer an item of merchandise or service either free or at a low price. It's a free, give them premium. Free premiums. The small gift of merchandise, including product package, was sent to consumers who mail in request and proof of purchase. Okay, that's free premium. There's a self-liquidating premium. Self-liquidating premium, right, that require consumers to pay some or all costs of the premium plus handling and mailing costs. Okay, is often tied directly to advertising campaign. But the limitation is low redemption rates leave markets with excess product. That's not good. Okay? Premium. For example, McDonald's Happy Meal, right? They use toys, children's toys, as premium offers to help attract children. My daughter, my daughter, when she was little, she now she's not, of course, she's a graduate student now. When she was little, she actually, would love to go to McDonald's. The reason, one major reason, is to collect the toy of that time. Right? They have a series of toys, so she want to collect them all. So we have to go many times. Okay? Contests and sweepstakes. What's contests? In contests, consumers compete for prizes or money on the basis of their skills or ability. Of course, you don't need too much skills. A little bit of ability is enough, right? Winners is determined by judging the entries or ascertaining which entry is closest to predetermined criteria. A sweepstakes, on the other hand, is like lottery, but it's not lottery. Okay, promotion is promotion where winners are determined purely by chance. It's right, kind of like lottery in that case, but it cannot require proof of purchase as a condition of entry. Entrants need only submit their name, so it's not lottery. Okay, you don't. They also always say no purchase necessary. Okay, you have to say that to be legal. Okay, because you cannot run a lottery, right? Yeah. So games are a popular form for sweepstakes. Games. Okay? There are problems with the contests and sweepstakes because it does not does not help with consumer franchise building. Does not help with consumer franchise building. The presence of contests hobbyists defeats the purpose of promotion. There are people, there are context hobbyists, they just love to do that. It defeats the purpose of promotion. Okay? Numerous legal considerations affect design and administration of contests and sweepstakes. Okay? Giveaway frenzy. Yeah, there's a giveaway frenzy. It shows consumers various contests and sweepstakes being run by marketers. Okay? You can go there. I've never been to their website. It seems to be quite interesting. Okay? Refunds and rebates. Yeah. What is the refunds? Also known as rebates. Is offered by manufacturer to return a portion of purchase price. It hopes to enhance repeat purchases. Okay, give them money back, refund or rebates. Okay, using refund offers enhances the likelihood of repeat purchases of the brand. Pennzoil offers a coupon refund that can be redeemed on the next oil change. Okay, the next oil change. Pennzoil. Okay. Refund and rebates. Yeah. Evaluating refund rebates. There are advantages of refund rebates. Right? Consumers are very responsive. Everybody loves some refund, right? It helps with creating new users. Okay? Encourages brand switching, okay? Repeat purchase. Is perceived as a price reduction for consumers who plan to redeem but don't. That's the key here, trick here, right? Many consumers thought that they received the price reduction if they redeem, but oftentimes, guess what? Americans, hey, wake up, man! we forget to redeem it, so you do not get the refund, right? But you thought you could. That's why you purchased. But if you don't redeem them, you do not send the receipt or coupon back, you do not get a refund. Okay? Well-promoted high-value rebate can increase sales significantly. Yeah. I used to work for a company called InnoTrack, which stands for Innovative Tracking, and I was in their accounting. I was a supervisor in their accounting finance department, and we actually did a lot of these things for tracking or administering tracking refund rebates for companies like Belch and others. Even I think it was Atlanta Olympic Games. We helped manage their refund rebates programs. Okay. Also, there are limitations of refund rebates. There is a delay and effort to obtain saving is a deterrent. Delay and effort to obtain saving is a deterrent. Rebates perceived as attempts to sell products that are not faring well. Okay? For small refunds, other promotional incentives are more effective. Okay? Retailers have become disenchanted. Retailers don't like that very well, right? Very much. Dependence on rebate leads could lead to delayed purchases or purchase only if rebates are available. So people hold off their purchase until a refund is available. Okay. Bonus packs, bonus packs offer consumers extra amount of product at the regular price by providing larger containers or extra units. Called a bonus pack, buy one get one free kind of things, right? Excuse me. The advantages of bonus pack is that they can get a direct way to provide extra value. It has a strong impact on purchase decision at the time of purchase. It is effective defense against competitors' promotion or new brand. Okay? It may result in larger purchase orders and favorable display space in stores. That's a good thing about bonus packs. Okay? There are limitations. It requires additional shelf space without providing extra profit margin for retailers. And they appeal primarily only to current users and promotion-sensitive consumers, as you can see. Okay? This one by Charmin. Charmin offers consumers 20% more toilet paper in this bonus pack, despite the lower profit margins. Charmin is hoping that the lower per unit cost will encourage consumers to stock up on the product, thereby building loyalty to their brand. Okay. Price off deals. So basically, price off deals reduce the price of the brand. Okay. It's offered on the package through specially marked price packs. Okay. The advantage of that is ensured discounts reach consumers. Okay. It presents a readily apparent value to the shoppers. Okay. Encourage consumers to purchase larger quantities when you have price off deals. Okay. But the limitation of that is that it can create pricing and inventory problems. Okay. It may appeal primarily to regular users, not new users. Okay. You must adhere to regulations set by Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Okay. This one is added by Purina Beneful, Purina Chow, Purina Beneful. It's a popular price of promotion. It's a buy one get one free deal, such as this one, dog food. This is an effective way to provide extra value from consumers and encourage them to make multiple purchases of a product. Okay. Loyalty program, basically frequent flyer program, for example. Okay. It's also known as a continuity program or frequency programs. Basically, it offers the opportunity to accumulate points. You get points for continuing to purchase specific brands. Okay. Points accumulated and then redeemed for discounts, gifts, prizes, free items. Okay? It's used heavily by airlines, hotels, and also by packaged goods, supermarkets, and all type of retailers. Okay? If you, for example, you fly a lot, you should get the frequent flyer program. I have one with Delta. When I have enough points and enough miles on that, I can get the free airline tickets. Okay, hotels the same way. Okay? Advantages of a loyalty program programs include it can encourage consumers to use product service on continual basis. It can develop strong customer loyalty. It can help develop customer. It can develop customer databases. Okay, but limitations of loyalty program: consumers drop out as it takes too long to accumulate reward points. Yeah, that's true. And may require smartphone apps. Okay, so companies making programs trying to make programs more appealing. Yeah. This one here shows that Burger King began offering free fries with the purchase all year as an incentive for joining its Royal Perks loyalty program. Okay, with free fries with purchase all year. Wow. Okay, I haven't tried that. Maybe I should. Okay, this Burger King. Okay, event marketing. Basically, your promotion links a company or brand to an event. Oftentimes, it's a sports event or art event, music event. Yeah, it's a themed activity developed to create experiences for consumers and promote products or services. Like this one here, Mountain Dew founded this Dew Tour, an event featuring competition in various action sports. From event marketing perspective, Mountain Dew can participate in promotional opportunities associated with various events, including interactive displays and product sampling of various Mountain Dew flavors. Okay, event marketing. Okay, event sponsorship. You develop a sponsorship relation to an event and provide financial support in return for your right to display brand name, logo, advertising message, like Olympic Games, right? Soccer games, okay? Ball game, and kind of ball games. Right? It's being identified as a supporter of the event. You can associate your brand with lifestyle, interests, and activities. Okay? Put emphasis on experiential marketing. Sponsor event. Okay? Here, example of a consumer-oriented sales promotion tools for various marketing objectives. Okay, consumer reward incentives could be immediate or delayed. Right? Your marketing objective could be induce trial, or customer retention loading, or support IMC program build brand equity. Okay, to induce trial, if you want the consumer reward to be immediate, you can give them samples, instant coupons, in-store rebates. Okay, for delayed incentive, you can give media and mail delivered coupons, mail-in refunds and rebates, free mail-in premiums, scanner internet delivered coupons. Okay, for consumer retention or consumer loading, for immediate results, you can give them price off deals, bonus packs, in and unpackaged free premiums, loyalty programs. For delayed ones, you can give them in and unpackaged coupons, mail-in refund rebates, loyalty programs. Okay. To support your IMC program, you'll build brand equity. For immediate results, you can go to events, in and unpackaged free premiums. For delayed incentive, you can give self-liquidating premiums, free mail-in premiums, contests, sweepstakes, and loyalty program. Okay, so these are the consumer-oriented sales promotion tools for different marketing objectives. Okay. Objective for trade-oriented sales promotion. The one we talked about before are all consumer-oriented promotions, right? What about the trade-oriented promotion? You obtain distribution for new product through the trade, through retailers, wholesalers. You want to maintain trade support for established brands. You want to encourage retailers to display established brands. You want to build retail inventories. That's when you want to do trade-oriented sales promotions to other businesses, to wholesalers, retailers, distributors, okay, not consumers directly. Okay. This is WD-40's program calendar for retail shows and marketing support programs, and for their trade-oriented sales promotions. The types of trade-oriented promotions, you can use contests and incentives. You consider incentives. It can that can stimulate greater selling effort and support from reseller management or sales personnel. The sales personnel, they may like it, they love it. Push money, called PM, push money, or spiffs or push money. It's cash payments made directly to sales staff to encourage promotion of product. It's called spiffs, okay? But it can cause conflict between retail sales personnel and management. Be careful when you do that. Right? Is it legal? It is legal. It is legal as long as you offer that to everyone, all the salespeople in that company. Right? So you say, hey, I'm gonna offer anyone who help with the promoting my product. I'll give you some push money, spiffs. Okay, spiffs. And the three forms of promotion target to reseller salespeople. Okay, you can have a product or program sales, new account placements, okay, merchandising efforts. Okay, basically try to award them to selling product or to acquire new accounts, open new accounts, or awards that try to establishing promotional programs. Okay. Trade allowances. What is trade allowances? It's a trade promotion, trade-oriented sales promotion. Trade allowances are deals, offers offered to encourage resellers to stock, promote, or display your manufacturer's product. Okay, they're called trade allowance. Right? There is a buying allowances. There's a price reduction on merchandise ordered during a fixed period. Okay, you can also give an off-invoice allowance. A certain per case amount of percentage is deducted from the invoice. Okay, basically give them some discount to encourage them to stock more, buy more, promote more, or display your product. Okay, got trade allowances. Okay, and also there are promotional allowances. Right, given for performing certain promotional activities in support of your product, your brands. There is a slotting allowance. Basically, is the fees retailers charge for providing a slot or position to accommodate a new product. So you're the manufacturer, right? You go to the retail chain store. You go to the retailer, say, I want to put my product on your shelf, right, on your slot. Right? They charge you a fee for that. That's slotting allowance, right? That's why it's also called a stocking allowances, introductory allowances, or street money, okay, street money. And there could be a failure fees. That's the fees charged to cover costs and associated with the stocking, maintaining inventories, and then pulling product. Okay? If it's failed, the retailers want to be compensated. You have to pay them failure fees, okay? Because to them, they're taking an opportunity to take a risk in carrying your product. Okay. Bumblebee Seafoods here use a trade promotional piece to inform retailers of the merchandising opportunities available for its wild sardines products and to encourage them to use in-store displays of product. They have them available. Okay. The display and point of purchase materials, like this one, Logitech. Okay. It's also trade-oriented promotions. Many consumers make a purchase decision in the store, so you want to have them on display and promoting purchase materials, right? Retailers will eliminate displays who are wanting more control over them. Yeah, that's a problem. Planograms are configuration of product that occupy a shelf section. Okay, that's called the planograms. The point of purchase material displays. Sales training programs. Part of your trade-oriented promotion can be your sales training operations, sales training programs for salespeople to provide consumers with information about features, benefits, and advantages. Okay, you can provide it through sponsored classes or training sessions, ongoing in-house trainings or regular basis, detailed menus, product brochures, reference materials, manuals, and DVDs. Okay. Trade shows, that's another trade-oriented promotions. Basically attend trade shows. Trade shows are forums where manufacturers can display products to current and prospective buyers. You can demonstrate or introduce new products, generate leads, develop and maintain relationships. Like this picture shown here, Consumer Electronics Show is a very popular industry trade show. The manufacturers and consumer electronics are showcasing, displaying, promoting their new gadgets. Okay. Cooperative advertising is another type of trade-oriented sales promotion. Okay, cooperative advertising. Basically, it's the cost of advertising shared by more than one party. You co-op with others, right? There's a horizontal cooperative advertising, sponsored by a group of retailers providing product services to the market. The group of retailers working together horizontally, right? There's an ingredient-sponsored cooperative advertising, supported by raw materials manufacturers, establish any product that include the company's materials or ingredients, called ingredient-sponsored cooperative advertising. There could be a vertical cooperative advertising where a manufacturer will pay for a portion of the advertising and a retailer runs to promote the manufacturer's product, okay, between the manufacturer and retailer. So it's a vertical cooperative advertising. Okay, there's another trade promotion. Okay. This Bumblebee seafood again is provided to retailers for use as part of its vertical cooperative advertising program. Retailers in various market areas can use by simply inserting into a newspaper circular or use as a display ad by adding their store name and location on there. And then that's it, ready to go. Okay. Bumblebee seafood. Okay. So coordinate. How do you coordinate sales promotion with advertising and other AMC tools? You need to coordinate between your sales promotion and other advertising promotional tools. A successful integration requires decisions concerning your budget allocation, how much to spend on promotion, how much on advertising, how much on other tools of AMC. Okay? You need to have a coordination of ad and promotional themes. Okay? You need to have media support and training. Media support and timing your media exposure. Okay? So as to have a successful integration of your sales promotion and advertising and other promotional activities. Okay? This one shows us Unilever created an effective coordination of advertising and sales promotion with a campaign for the Dove Men Plus Care line. Okay, Unilever will send samples of the product and high-value coupons directly to consumers. In addition, they place advertisement in media and in print, such as this example shown here. Okay, Dove Men Plus Care. Okay, but I can't remember. And there is a shifting role of promotion, a promotional agent, promotion agency. You know, we know there are agencies that's sales promotions. Their role is shifting. The role of the agency is shifting. Okay? Traditionally, this promotion agency primarily is used to develop short-term tactics or concepts. New and improved one role is that to develop long and short-term promotion strategies. Okay, traditionally hired agencies are hired and compensated on a project by project basis. Now they are contracted on an annual retainer following formal agency reviews. Okay. Traditionally, many promotion agencies use the mix, each one hired for best task and specialty. Now, one or two exclusive promotion agencies for each division or brand group. In old times, one or two contact people from agency. Now, full team or core group on the account. Okay. Old time promotion agency never equal to ad agency. Doesn't work up front in annual planning process. Now, promotion agency works on equal basis with an ad agency, sits at the planning table up front. Okay. In no time, now directly accountable for results. Now it's very much accountable. Go through a rigorous evaluation process. That's for the promotion agency. Okay. Their role is shifting. Okay. The abuse of sales promotion. Sales promotion abuses. Abuses. There are consequences for sales promotion abuses. There are overuse of sales promotion may be a problem. Overuse of sales promotion may lead to a loss of your brand's perceived value. Be careful with that. Okay, watch out for that. Purchase a product being attributed to promotional incentive and not to a favorable attitude towards brand. Again, you're hurting your brand. Okay, and also there could be sales promotion trap or spiral. Sales promotion trap or spiral. What's a sales promotion trap? This one shows this chart. This figure shows sales promotion trap. Yeah. Basically, this is your company, our company. There's the other companies, okay? Your company. And when you cut back on promotions, okay, and they're cut back on promotion too, then there's higher profits for all. But when you maintain the promotions, they cut down back on promotions. The market share goes to our company, okay? But then what if you maintain promotion, they maintain the promotions? Market share stays constant, profits stay low. Okay? And if you cut back on promotions, then they maintain promotions, market share goes to all other company. Okay? So then if all firms, your firm and your firm, all maintain promotions, as I said, the market share stays constant, profit stays low for everybody. Okay? So only when both are cutting back on promotion, there's a high profit for all. So that's the trap. So you be careful, when you have your promotions, you need to watch out for others' promotions to make sure that you do not fall into a trap. Okay. And for sales promotions abuses, you need to consider, marketers must consider short-term impact of promotion and the long-term effect on the brand. As we said, there is a short-term impact on promotion. Okay? You can get immediate sales, but long-term effects negatively on your brand. Okay? Competitors like likelihood of developing a retaliatory promotion. You offer promotions, your competitors will come up with a retaliation on you, okay? And therefore both of you will fall into the trap that I just described to you. Okay? It's not damaging the brand franchise with sales promotion. You consider try not to damage your brand franchise with sales promotion. Other aspects of marketing program, when faced with declining sales and other problems, have to be taken into consideration as well. Okay, so these are things that for your considerations. I think that's all I have for this chapter. Okay, thank you. I will see you next time. Goodbye.